Good morning, everyone. I'm having my coffee, and yes, I do cream and sugar. I can't give it up for anything. I only have 1 cup a day, so don't judge me. So, first things first, gotta have my coffee and my Channel 7 Eyewitness News. And then I do a quick cleaning every morning. You know what makes it easier? People say, oh, I hate to clean the bathroom. I hate to clean the bathroom. It's such a pain to clean the bathroom. I'm going to show you how I do it every day. So it's already clean because I do it every day. And it's 1, 2, 3 fast. I'm going to show you as soon as I have my coffee. Be right back. Okay, guys, so here we go. I'm in my bathroom, okay? First things first, a little Windex and clean the mirrors. I hate fingerprints on the mirrors. Okay? I'm going to show you one side of the bathroom because you know me with the camera. But I want to share the love on how I do it, okay? Now, of course, look, my bathroom looks clean already because I cleaned it every day. It's a quick cleanup. So first things first, I move my tchotchkes over, my little soap dispenser, cotton holder. This is my new favorite, Dawn Power. I also use scrubbing bubbles too, but I love this. A little squirt goes a long way, okay? Look, fast, easy, simple, very important. I use the microfiber cloths. Soft, it doesn't damage anything, such a good thing. Look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? Look at this. Guess what? This sink is clean. Now, how fast was that? I'm not cleaning soap scum. There is none. There's no soap scum because it's done every day. You can do this 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. Look at that. Cut, wash, dry, put your tchotchkes back, and you're good to go. And I repeat the other thing on the same side because I have double sink. Then I get my vacuum real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, ready to vacuum with my new Dyson. Let me tell you something. It's on my Amazon storefront. I love, love, love it. It's cordless. You do it 1, 2, 3. Bathroom floor. Boom, 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 boom. Now, how easy is this? I just pick up my mats. I give it a quick vacuum. There's always air in the bathroom floors, and that irks me. So we do it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you see, guys? Look at that. Easy peasy. And I'll let you in on a secret. I would still be in my pajamas because it's only 8:15. But I have Sloman, my alarm company, coming to finish installation. So I had to be up and dressed. I couldn't be in my pajamas when they got here. And now after I vacuum, well, I shouldn't say after I vacuum. I forgot to show you how I clean the shower. So what I do is I bring my soap and rag in here, and can't show you how I do that because I do it while I'm in the shower. Same thing, just pass it easy, easy, easy. Then once a week I do it good with a scrub brush, but every day it gets a quick pass with either scrubbing bubbles or Dawn Power Spray. And look at how clean it is. Look at my shower. Isn't it clean? Spotless. It's a little wet because I just took a shower before I did this. And easy peasy. You know, sometimes things are so much simpler than people think. It takes me literally 5 minutes to clean my bathroom and vacuum without the shower, doing the shower, because that I do while I'm in the shower. But it's simple. And if you keep up with it, it will be fast, fast, fast. Don't let it build up. Have a great day.